Kawasaki has released Ninja ZX-4R series, its latest 400cc race bike, which differs significantly from the base Ninja 400 in terms of its underpinnings and powertrain. Prices for the ZX-4R start at $9,699 in the US market. Three models of the super sport bike that are offered are Standard, SE and RR. The purpose of the new ZX-4R line is to fill the space between the Ninja ZX-25R and Ninja ZX-6R, with features like a fully faired front end, twin LED headlights, a triangular LED tail light, a small windscreen with a smoked effect, a sculpted fuel tank, a low-set clip-on handlebar, a side-slung exhaust muffler, and a step-up split-seat design. The ZX-4R shares design cues with its other siblings from the Ninja range of sports bikes. The sleeker body graphics of Kawasaki's Racing Squad, which are available on the top two models, set it apart from the other Ninjas and is popularly known as the KRT edition. Also featured on the base model is the distinctive lime green color scheme. A full complement of rider electronics is also available on the Ninja ZX-4R, including a 3-level traction record control, power modes, 4 riding modes, and an optional bi-directional quick shifter that enables clutchless shifting up and down. All three versions of the Ninja ZX-4R come equipped with a USB charging port. Despite having a similar displacement and design to the Ninja 400, the Kawasaki ZX-4R is a sport bike that is more geared towards racing.
Let the world hear about your brand through Channel IAM.